AWS might not be releasing their own models like Google and other companies, but they are certainly going big what they already have, which is EC2 instances and other infrastructure for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Just recently, they have announced a new family of EC2 instances, which is P5 instances. These are the next generation GPU instances, which are powered by latest NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPUs and will provide a reduction of up to 6 times in training time, which is huge because the previous generation of these P3 instances were already quite powerful, and I have run some Llama 2 models on it, and I will drop the link in the video's description. But having 6 time performance gain is really great because I have uh, run the Llama 2 7 billion parameter model on the P3 instance, and it was okay. But just imagine that if I will be running that 7 billion parameter on 6 time faster instance. So I think once it is available in Sydney region, and I will check it shortly, then I'm going to run this Llama 2 instance on this P5, and I think I will go with the 70 billion parameter one. Okay, now coming back to these new announcement of P5 instances, these P5 instances provide 8 NVIDIA H100 and Tensor Core GPUs with 640 GB of high bandwidth GPU memory. They also have third generation AMD EPYC processors, 2 terabyte of system memory, and 30 terabyte of local NVMe storage. So it is really a mammoth EC2 instance. P5 instances also provide 3200 Gbps of aggregate network bandwidth with support for GPU direct RDMA, which primarily enables low latency and efficient scale out performance by bypassing the CPU on inter-node communication. And if you go to AWS's website, which is this one, where they have announced these EC2 P5 instances, you can get the more specifications. And they also give the summary of what I have just described. Okay, coming back to this, P5 instances are ideal for training and running inference for increasingly complex LLMs and computer vision models behind the most demanding and compute intensive generative AI applications, which may include question answering, code generation, video and image generation, speech recognition, and much more. Now, the HPC customers using P5 instances can deploy demanding applications at greater scale in pharmaceutical discovery, seismic analysis, weather forecasting, and a lot of other use cases. So, what is the cost? Well, costing, as you know, is still quite expensive for these instances because already the P3 ones were quite expensive too. So, for the P5 one, the cost has just gone up. The rough estimate of pricing around this EC2 P5 instance is around 99 US dollar per hour, which is quite expensive as you can see, but the grunt is quite huge. So if your use case matches with this, and if you really want a very high powered mammoth EC2 instance for your machine learning load, I think then P5 is the way to go. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or feedback, please ask. And if you like the content, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much.